Understanding word order with phrasal verbs can be tricky, but once you get the hang of it, it opens up a whole new level of fluency in English. Let's dive into the details. First, let's talk about intransitive and inseparable transitive phrasal verbs. These types of phrasal verbs are pretty straightforward. The verb and the particle must stay together. You can't split them up. For instance, if you say, "the cat woke up," you can't say, "the cat woke thee up." They're glued together, and that's just how it is. Now, when it comes to separable phrasal verbs, things get a bit more flexible. Separable phrasal verbs are always transitive, meaning they require a direct object. This is where it gets interesting. You can place the direct object right in the middle of the verb and the particle. For example, in the sentence, "Augustus never let Hazel down," you see how the verb let and the particle down are right next to each other. But if you want to include a direct object, you can say, "You never let any of your friends down." Here, "any of your friends" fits perfectly between let and down. Some separable phrasal verbs have specific rules. Take get down, for example. You can say, "The beginning of the movie Up gets down everyone," but it sounds more natural to say, "The beginning of the movie Up gets everyone down." In this case, both structures are correct, but the second one is more commonly used. Now, let's talk about the importance of placement. With certain separable phrasal verbs, you have to place the direct object in the middle. For instance, pick up is a great example. You can say, "Pick the box up and carry it to the kitchen," or "Pick up the box and carry it to the kitchen." Both are correct, but if you're using a pronoun as your direct object, like it, there's a special rule. You must say, "Pick it up and carry it to the kitchen." You can't say, "Pick up it." That just doesn't work. It's essential to remember that not all transitive phrasal verbs are separable. Some are inseparable, like get through, come between, and go against. With these, the direct object always comes after the phrasal verb. For example, you would say, "Nothing comes between us," not "nothing comes us between." So the key takeaway here is to memorize which phrasal verbs are separable and which are inseparable. Practice is crucial. The more you use them in conversation, the more natural it will feel. Don't be afraid to experiment with different sentences. The more you play with the structure, the more comfortable you'll become. In summary, mastering the word order of phrasal verbs can significantly enhance your English skills. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be using them like a pro.